eXtendMobile allows you to create your own custom mobile solutions to suit your business needs. This demonstration will show you how to create a simple inventory adjustment function. We'll start by creating a NetSuite record and naming the function. Next, we'll choose the record type. Now, we'll save this and begin to put our fields on a form. First, we'll create a group called Main, and we'll add the fields that we want to show in that main group. Now that we've selected the fields to display, let's add some default values and mark a few fields read-only. Now, we'll click the plus sign to add our details. We'll name the group Details, and we'll mark this as a sublist. We'll click Details and click Add Field, and we'll choose Adjustments. We'll now click Adjustments and begin to add our fields to make the adjustments. Now we save each form, and it's time for us to test our new function. This entire functionality was built using eXtendMobile. Build your own custom mobile solutions with eXtendMobile.